Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Scott, Vice President of Education at Freedom's Foundation at Valley Forge. And today, I'm at beautiful Liberty Hill, where we will hold our 2024 Teacher Summer Seminars. And we want each of you to experience what this place has to offer. From amazing classroom experiences, to bocce ball, to golf, and even an incredible fitness center. It is going to be a dynamic summer. We're going to have 5 incredible in-person seminars and 2 traveling workshops. So see below for more details concerning these and our topics and everything else. We can't wait to see you. Have a great day.